join me with this stunning Porsche 2.7 RS Touring. This car has received a number of interior changes just to tie it all back in and make it all original again. Over the years, the car had received some repairs and various bits had been retrimmed in varying materials. So we sourced the correct materials for this car and have retrimmed the parts that had previously been done, tie in to the nice original parts that had never been touched before. I'll jump inside and I'll just talk you through what we've been up to. First and most obvious thing, the seats. The driver's seat, we retrimmed the original sport seat alongside this period correct bucket seat that the owner had supplied with the car. We've trimmed that in the matching houndstooth and black vinyl so that he's got an option between a more supportive bucket seat for driving and tours or the sport seat, which is how the car left the factory. The headlining in this car had previously been retrimmed in a different material from original, so that's been done alongside the A and B pillars to tie that in. The floor mat and the front bulkhead had been trimmed in two different carpets that didn't match. Although it looks a bit different, it's the exact original carpet that we've used in the floor mat and the front bulkhead. As time goes on, this will wear in nicely and it'll all look like a really nice original carpet set in this car. The dash fascia, that had also been retrimmed at some point and all the corners were lifting. The aluminium had been damaged, so we've straightened all that back out, repaired it and retrimmed that in the correct vinyl. The steering wheel has also been retrimmed. The one in the car when it arrived was the original, but it had been trimmed a couple of times, once over another retrim. So there was two covers on the wheel, so we've taken those off and started again. We've trimmed that correctly using a nice black leather and the correct stitch pattern. Other than that, really this car's just had a really good tidy up. There's been a few smaller repairs in some of the vinyl panels just to really bring this back into a beautiful condition, original looking 2.7 RS. We hope you've enjoyed this project. It was a nice, interesting one for the team, doing a good bit of research on the correct materials for a 70s Porsche 2.7 RS. We've found those now, so we've now got them in stock for any future projects. If you've got any questions, drop them below, and we look forward to seeing you in the next project.